Jesus divinely inspired the framework, all of these lines here, of a 1611 because he is the carpenter, the master carpenter. If you count each line on the last page of Malachi, which is the last page of your Old Testament, if you don't have an Apocrypha, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 lines. There are 16 lines in Malachi. Now, if you go to the first page of your Old Testament, there are 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Because Jesus Christ has signed his work with the 1611 framework from the master carpenter.